Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinchilla, and today I'm coming to you with another foundation review. If you're interested in seeing what I have to say about this foundation, then continue watching this video. Okay guys, so I have been having really bad breakouts of lately. I don't know if it's stress, I don't know if it's adult acne. Honestly, I don't know what is causing my breakouts these days, because I do the basic things like I've been drinking water. The only thing that I kind of change in my diet is that I'm drinking a lot more juice, like not juice but frozen pops, because you know it's hot outside. So I've been consuming a lot of frozen pops. That's the only thing that have changed in my diet. I've been drinking my water, washing my pillowcases, washing my hair, all of that jazz. But for some strange reason my face is constantly breaking out. So at this point I decided that, you know what, maybe I need to go see a dermatologist or something, because I've been sitting down on my skin daily and trying to get rid of what's happening, and I'm still having these issues of acne. And after the acne has gone, because I don't pop my pimples, so after the acne has gone, I have these really black spots in my face. So yeah, that's been a bummer of lately. And one thing, if you wear makeup, one thing you should know, if you don't have nice skin, you're not gonna have perfect makeup. You're not going to have a flawless finish. I think you're not gonna have a flawless finish, because it don't matter how many products you pack on, some of the breakouts or some of the spots are still gonna seep through. Well, that's my honest opinion. No matter if you color correct, it's maybe you're just gonna have to wear a basic cake face in order to get rid of those flaws. But for me, the perfect skin, perfect makeup. I was just browsing and I saw this one. It was really reasonable price. I think it was like, I think the most it cost was like $10. I think I've used Milani's products before. The bronzer, I've used the bronzer before and I really liked it. To be honest, I never even looked for any reviews about this foundation. I didn't even know they had foundation. This is my honest review. So basically, like I said, I've used the Milani bronzer before and I really like their big bronzer. If you didn't use it yet, try it, check it out. It's a very good bronzer. It's the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer, and this is in number 11, which is amber. Now, I kind of like my foundations a little bit on the darker side, even though I'm fair. You know, I'm kind of caramel. I don't like when my foundation match exactly. I like when it has like a little tan in there. That's how I like to wear my foundation. Okay, so that's why I got this color, which is 11 amber. On the back of it, it says that it is a 2-in-1 product, which is foundation and concealer, and it's medium to full coverage. They also said that the wear is lightweight, it's oil free, long wearing, water resistant, and sweat proof. Now I'm gonna wear this foundation for the end of the day. I started applying it like 12 o'clock. I'm gonna wear it up until about 7 o'clock tonight before I clean it off, just to see if it stays on, if my skin still has the flawless look, if it moves, all of that jazz. I will keep you guys updated on. So basically it said that it's sweat proof, so that's why I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna wear it up until that point, and then I'll let you guys know what my skin feels like by the end of the day. Now, couple things that I didn't really like about the foundation. I don't really think there's a couple. There's just one thing, because this is my first time wearing it, so this is my first review. Okay, so one thing that I realized is that it didn't have like a plastic covered over it. You know, like when you buy drugstore product, the packaging, they normally have like a plastic covered over it. That wasn't there. When I went into the drugstore, you could just pop it off and see, you know, what color foundation in there. It was just laying there like a tester. I didn't really like that. You know, knowing that people are going into stores and making ice cream and putting cucumbers in them throat, that not really sanitary. For no, don't put a plastic around it. I don't know why, but this is how I found it in the drugstore, and all of them stay the same way. Even the concealers stay the same way. So I don't know, that's something that you guys need to fix. You know, I think it don't matter how hard it is for me to open it, I would rather it have a plastic around it, like secure it. I don't want to go into the drugstore and just pop off the top. like that. Like, no, because people can go and use it out and you're not gonna get the full product. So that was the only thing I found with it that I didn't like. However, when I was putting it on, you guys are going to see me applying the foundation to my skin, because I recorded that. When I put the foundation on, I'm not telling a lie, the foundation is full coverage. Some foundations in the drugstore oxidizes, so after a while, you know, when you add them to your skin and your skin get familiar, it's like it changed the complexion of the foundation. So your foundation sometimes get a little bit darker. With this foundation, I don't see my skin, my complexion changing after applying it or anything like that. And as you guys can see for yourself, like, this is full coverage. And like I said, I'm going to insert the clip of when I was putting it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's buildable obviously, because like when I added it, I realized that there were spots on the side of my face and they were seeping through, and then I added some more and then I pushed it into my skin and it actually covered it. I use a damp beauty blender to apply the product, so that kind of helped to, you know, give me easy application. When I was blending my concealer with it, perfection. Absolutely love it. It was smooth, easy to work with, love it. It wasn't moving, shifting, because some drugstore foundation tend to do that, like move and shift. This one, it wasn't doing that. But like I said, I will be wearing it for the end of the day, just to give you guys my full review how it wears throughout the rest of the day. Okay, but other than that, guys, I really like this foundation. The next thing, oh, I said that I had couple stuff to say. I really did have couple stuff to say about what I didn't like about it. So other than the fact that I didn't like the packaging, the other thing that I didn't like, it has a smell. How do I describe the smell? It smells like ass, no cap. Like when I was applying it to my face, it smells like ass. Like, honestly, that's what it smells like to me. In the clip that I was applying it, you're gonna see me smelling the sponge to see where the scent is coming from. It was from the foundation. It doesn't really have a smell like when I smell it, but when I was applying it, I could smell it. It smelled like ass, basically. So those are the two things that I didn't really like initially. So I don't really mind still, you know, as long as the foundation work with me will work with the foundation. It doesn't matter if it smells bad or anything, as long as it don't break my skin out, as long as you know say it's full coverage and it's full coverage, as long as you know say it's sweat proof and it's sweat proof, as long as you know say it's long wear and it's long wear, I will work with you guys. So yeah, I really do like the foundation so far. Hopefully, like I said, by the end of the day, I will be able to give you guys my full update on it and how it feels by, you know, being active and stuff like that. However, I still have to wear it to give it maybe 2 thumbs up or 10 out of 10, or how many I rate it from 1 to 10. I cannot rate it right now because I didn't really wear it fully. So if you don't want to see the follow-up review of this, click the like button, leave a comment down below if you use the foundation here, and tell me how you guys feel about it. So yeah, this is basically the look for the day. I felt like going in on my makeup because I haven't been doing that of lately, and I really like the look and how it come out. FYI, I made this wig. Don't really like it. I think it makes me look older than I am, but I'm still rocking it because it's short, and as you know, it's the summertime and it's hot. So yeah, is there anything else that I need to say? I don't think so. I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Remember guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's your girl Chinchilla. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay guys, foundation check. It is currently 6:21 and we're still going strong. My skin looks flawless, as you can see, but I said I'm gonna wear it up until 7, probably 8, depending on how I feel right now. I really want to wash it off, but I do it for Uno. So remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments down below. Remember guys to turn on your notification bell just to get updated of whenever I upload a video. But yeah, I'm gonna just continue wear this, and whenever I feel like a shower, I'm just gonna shower and take it off. But it's going good so far. I really like it. The only thing is that I'm clocking out around the nose area, which with every foundation I normally clock out early, and then I'm not wearing any primer, so that is expected. Okay, so yeah, just checking in and soon checking again, just for make you know what I want. So me soon in another, I guess, hour or two. Bye. Okay guys, foundation check. This is gonna be my last update. It is currently 7:18 and I've been wearing the foundation from around 12 like I said before. So I think I've been wearing it for like 7 hours to be exact, or over a little bit over 7 hours, and my skin is still flawless. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated because I'm gonna wear the foundation constantly, so I'll have a full review for you guys. This is just how it hold up for the day so far. I'm sweating right now, my skin is still flawless as you guys can see. But yeah, I'm hot. I want to go shower and I want to clean this off, so just stay tuned for the next video and I'll be able to give you guys a much better review after I've worn it a couple more times. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and my name is Chinchilla. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.